Let me show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call not working. In this situation, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that if your connection of internet is stable. If you're currently on a Wi-Fi, you can try switching to your cellular data as well. In this situation, the other thing that you'll also need to ensure is that your microphone or your camera has permissions inside of Messenger. So to ensure that, you can just tap and hold the app of Messenger, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the camera as well as the microphone has this access. So you just set to allow and try to restart or remove the Messenger from the reset list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the other thing that you can also try out is look for new updates available of the Messenger application. So search for Messenger on Play Store. If you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. Once you complete all of these steps and you're still having issues, the last thing that you can do is try to uninstall the app of Messenger from your phone and then again re-download it. If you're facing this issue on the Messenger app only and you're being able to make calls using the desktop version of Facebook or Messenger, then it is likely the case or the glitch on your phone. Once you uninstall the app and then restart your phone, you'll be able to fix the Messenger call not working error. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.